Hello guys and welcome to yet another walk around at Motor World India, and this time around it's the Tata Safari Gold. This is the latest and now the top end trim of the Safari. Now let's check out what it's all about. The Tata Safari Gold comes in two color options, black gold and the white gold. The Tata Safari Gold is based on the XZ Plus and the XZ A Plus trims of the Safari. The Safari in the Gold edition gets gold embellishments across the exterior, the most prominent of which is the bold front grille with the signature tri-arrow designed by Tata. You also get gold inserts near the headlamp and the fog lamp, and as we move to the side, the gold is again prominently placed over the door handles, which in my opinion looks better on the white gold Safari. The Safari logo that you get on the roof rail also goes all gold in this limited edition. The wheels remain the same, but you get a distinguishing gold badge on the sides. This limited edition Safari comes with a black roof, which does make the car stand out a little more. The major changes that come with the gold edition are on the inside. Let's check them out. So inside the Tata Safari Gold, the things that change is that the biggest change, there are three big changes. First is the wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. So that's an added benefit that's really convenient, and I think every car in India should have it. It's irrespective of the segment because it's not a very costly thing to give, and it just steps up the entire feature quotient of the car to a next level. Second thing is the wireless charger, which again I think is a compulsory thing that every manufacturer should give in every car. So that's something really convenient. And the biggest change on the inside is that you get genuine leather seats now. It's not leathered, it's not fake leather, it's genuine leather seating. The third big change, probably the biggest change in the interiors, is that now you get ventilation for the front and rear seats. For the 6-seater variant, you have ventilation on the rear seats. For the 7-seater variant, which comes with the bench seat at the back, you don't get the ventilation for the second row, but you still get it for the first row. The passenger seating, it comes in 3 stages, so you can change it as per your convenient. And I think in our weather, in our surroundings these days, it's a very underrated feature which actually takes your comfort in the car on a long drive or a long day, even in city traffic. It takes your comfort to a next level, and that's a must-have feature, I would say, if you're paying this much premium for a car. So thumbs up for Tata for finally bringing the wireless charging, the wireless CarPlay, and the ventilation in the seats. What we had already on the Safari was the very good audio system, a very nice legible instrument cluster, which again I think probably in the facelift or somewhere down the line they can go all digital, which just takes the game a little notch higher. The other changes that I would like on the future generation, future trims of this car or the facelift is that a bigger screen probably, maybe they can go smaller on the knobs and buttons and everything and give more screen. There's a big fat bezel on the screen right now, which probably can be worked out. Maybe the screen area can be made bigger, because when I use maps or looking at music list and everything, it just makes more sense to have a bigger screen. It's easier to use on the go, and plus it's just bigger is better, man. Come on, bigger is better. The dash now gets a very classy marble finish. On the white car, it's in white and gold. On the black car, it's black and gold. I personally prefer the white more. It just has that royal vibe to it, which I think is my favorite dash of any Tata cars, or for that matter, any car in this segment. This is my most favorite dashboard layout right now. I really love it, and the way Tata has done it, you have gold embellishments on the instrument cluster edges. You have gold trims on the AC cluster. You don't get the gold trim on the AC vent in the middle. It is in black because it's integrated with the entire infotainment system. But other than that, you have gold trims on the door panels. You have a gold trim on the Tata logo here. Let's check out the back now. Now coming back to the rear seat has always been very good in the Tata Safari. You also get a boss mode, so you can just press and move the seat ahead. Now you're in a very comfortable seating position here, which even in our road test review, the main road test review, we had mentioned that because of the stadium seating that you get, stadium seating basically means that you seat a little higher than the driver, so you have a proper hood view. You can see the bonnet right from this seat, which is something really good, and I appreciate. I never like to sit in the back seat because it's just not comfortable for me, but something like this probably for everybody, and if you are somebody who likes to be chauffeur driven, I think the added benefit of a stadium seating adds to the comfort and the convenience factor. It also just makes you feel like you are in command because you're sitting a little higher than everybody else in the car in the front. So yeah, that's an added benefit. But we are not here to talk about that. We are here to talk about what changes on the Safari Gold. And the change here is the ventilated seat that you get in the Tata Safari Gold now. You have a 3-step ventilation. There's a button right here. So the ventilation on the seats is a little noisy, but I think that's because we are on a standstill position right now inside a hotel. It's very quiet outside, so that is why I'm noticing it. But on the move, on the road, with the no noise and the horns and everything that we have in our country, you might not notice it unless you're on a very long cruise on the highway. You're very less likely to notice it. And come on, most of us drive with music, so the fact that there's a little bit of fan noise of the ventilation seat is not really going to bother you. But the ventilation is a really nice thing to have, because on long journeys, we recently came back from a long drive, and trust me, I was missing the ventilation on that car. But other than that, you have individual armrest for the 6-seater variants. You have 2 USB chargers here. There are 2 USB chargers under the armrest here. There's wireless charger and a single charger there. So in all, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USB chargers or wireless chargers. So that's really nice. I think you have one more at the back. We've already spoken about everything in the car, about the car, how it drives, how's the engine, how's the clutch, how's the gearbox, everything in a detailed road test review, which you can go and check it out. We'll add a link here. If you have not seen it, please do check it. This is just a walk around video of the new Safari trim. Safari Gold trim is now the topmost trim in the lineup. It is based on the XZA and XZA Plus trim. The only difference in this trim and the other trims is that now it gets wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, you have a wireless charger, you have ventilation in the seats, and the paint is really good. To never miss an update on the automotive industry, do like, share and subscribe.